love coffee, but I thought I would make coffee cozy. I sketched out a rough idea in my design book, and using my template, chose little flowers and big ones, placing the template so that I could get the right angle on the flower. I used my normal method. If you go back to my first video, EPP, without the P, you'll see how it's done. I use iron-on interfacing. You take the shiny side and put it down on the back of the fabric, iron it in place. And then placing all the hexagons in a pleasing pattern, I wanted to make a rose wreath. I had measured out an overall template from the coffee pot so that the cozy would be large enough for it. Chose matching ribbon and cotton for the lining and batting, and of course some backing fabric for the back of the cozy. I put the fabric in layers: the backing, batting, lining, lining, batting, and the trimmed patchwork. Then with 25mm ribbon that would go around both sides, I stitched it very carefully round the side, making neat stitches, ensuring that I would catch in both sides all the fabric within. And I put ribbon round the bottom. And here's my finished coffee cozy to match my coffee set. Here's the back of it, and I made a ribbon loop. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and that it's helpful, and hope to see you again soon. Bye bye.